Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queenie, and today we're going to talk about why you should update your LinkedIn profile and what benefit it has for you if you want to make an impact on the LinkedIn platform. Now, when we're talking about updating, the first thing I would say, don't talk about updating just for the purpose of changing something. Think about updating in terms of completing your profile. Like the more content you can add to your profile, the better. If you have a completely filled out profile, you have all the different images, like a header image, like a professional picture, you have a good headline, good profile description, you have filled out all of your experience section, your education history, you added relevant publications, projects that you have worked on, you have added your skills, you got recommendation. Once you have all of this in place, your profile will more likely show up in LinkedIn search results. So whatever you're targeting, whoever you want to be contacted by, it makes it way more likely that you will actually show up in anyone's search field on LinkedIn. It's also important to continuously optimize your profile. So let's say you're doing the same job for the next 10 years. Like, does it mean you only change your profile like 10 years ago and then you just keep it? No, you want to make sure that you update your LinkedIn profile and continuously enhance it and enrich it with new insights, new stuff that you have learned along the way. Maybe you worked on some more interesting projects. You can add them to your profile. Not only does it show like more of your competence, but it also shows people you actively using LinkedIn as a platform, which gives people more confidence when reaching out to you. People generally want to know that that the effort will not go to waste if they're sending someone a connection request or sending someone a message. So when you can show, hey, you're logging in frequently, you're creating content on LinkedIn on an ongoing basis, your profile has been updated frequently, people will take the information they're reading way more seriously. You will get way more connection requests and more messages on LinkedIn. So please make sure that you update your profile regularly. I have an entire module in my LinkedIn Accelerator program, which teaches you exactly how to optimize your LinkedIn profile from top to bottom. It shows you exactly how to build an entire LinkedIn sales funnel to promote your company. So if you want to check this out, I'm going to put the link down in the description and into the pinned comments below. And if you want to get more videos about LinkedIn marketing, also make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I see you in the next one. Bye.